Alright guys, today I'll be doing a list of tasks that is commonly used. So let's begin, and I will try to do it in under 10 minutes. So let's see if it works. Let's start and let's try to move it away. No, it doesn't work. Alright, so there's a problem with the windows here. So this is one of the bugs already. So let's see the first thing. Task Manager to check on the usages on Firefox. So let's turn on the Firefox first. Then we go into the Start menu, Task Manager. It's called System Monitor here. Now we can see there's two Firefox. Let's wait for the Firefox to turn on. Alright, Firefox is here. Now you can see right here it is using 24 CPU with 200 or 180 once it's completed. So let's go into resources. Then you can see the CPU is under 22%. Here it's under memory 2.6 gig. Right. Now let's see. The second one is Task Manager to stop Firefox from running. So to stop it, just right click on it and end it. You can kill it, but end is more proper. So once you're done, Firefox is no longer in. Okay, so let's turn off the sleep mode. So let's turn off the sleep, go into settings. In settings, we have to go into power, and inside power you should be able to see this. You can disable, you can blank screen, turn off, automatic suspend off, and yeah, I think that's all. So we are done. Now let's create new folder and Word files in downloads. So we go inside here, we go into downloads. Let's create a folder. Let's call it Linux. And now our Word files. So let's create Word file. We can't do it here. Let's check inside our Start menu and LibreOffice Writer. So let's go and do a document. Okay. Alright. I am Linux. So let's try Control and S. Whether does it save? Okay, it works. Download Linux. Let's put here Linux and let's save it. And done. So let's exit out. Exit. How to exit? There is no. Alright, see that in the pre-installed for LibreOffice, the X is not here, so this is one of the bugs. So to quit, you have to go here and quit. Alright, so let's see. Use snipping tool in Linux to copy famous Cyberemos logo in Word document. So let's go online. Let's go and see this. YouTube. Go inside famous Cyberemos. And here, just open it. Can I actually? No, I can't go in. Alright, so let's go into. Okay, so this. Faster. Alright, so right here we go into Start, find for snipping tool. Okay, there's no snipping tool here. Let's see, where is it? I remember there is. That screenshot. So here is screenshot. Go here. Not this one. Where is the screenshot? Alright, selection, take screenshot. Boom, that's it. And we will save into pictures. Just save it. And now let's go and close this. Go into the Linux Word file. Inside the Word file, let's go back to the pictures and move it here. Alright, so it's simple, drag and drop, same as Microsoft Word. Hello, I am famous cyber Amos. Right, Control S, save. Alright, I'm not sure why it doesn't save by the same file, but it's not really a deal breaker, except this I can't exit again. I have to right click and quit. So this is one of the bugs why they can't do it properly. Let's see, copy folder to document. So let's go and copy this. Let's see, downloads. Let's copy, Control C, document, Control V. Does it work? Control C, go document, Control V. Alright, it doesn't work. So yeah, you have to right click, copy, and paste here. Okay, so now we are done. Install 7-zip using website or store. So since 7-zip is a open source, I hope that there is in the store, and it's hang. Why? Let's just close this. Right, so this is a good time to do task manager, and well, it's done. Okay, so I'll quit. No, shit. Never mind. That's where is the pop shop? Pop shop. I think this one with the logo here, it looks like pop shop. Let's just end process. I think it should be gone. Yep, it's gone. Let's go to pop shop again. Zip. I know inside the store is a different name. Not sure whether there is over here, but I know 7-zip in the shop is different because Zorin OS also has the same problem where the name is different, but some reason here just doesn't have. So let's try installing online. Now this is one of the ways I can show you whether you can install online. So over here there is no Linux downloads. So if you don't see Linux downloads, you have to check in the download section and search for Linux. Is there no Ubuntu here? Because Ubuntu is the core of this Pop OS. So if you don't find it, let's try Linux and see if it works. Okay, let's open file. Normally it should automatically install, but I'm not sure why it's not doing anything. Let's try unzip, extract here. Nope, there is nothing. Even me clicking it doesn't do anything. So yeah, we can consider it a fail because 7-zip can't install. Why is it stuck here? Alright, let's see. Okay, since it's failed, zip the folder using 7-zip. So anyway, I can't use 7-zip. Let's just use the built-in zip tool. So let's compress it. Let's create. Alright, we've done. Extract folder to desktop. So let's here right click, extract to desktop, select, and we are done. So let's see here, device manager. Let's check out first. Okay, we've got it here. Now device manager, we need to install it because in Pop OS they don't have pre-installed device manager. So let's go to hardinfo. So let's see, you can see all of your specs all here, even the sensor. You can see the temperature, everything here. So yeah, it's done, but again I cannot close it. There's no such thing, and I cannot move it. So yeah, you guys need to check that out. It's a real bug for everything. For Zorin OS it works no problem. So let's see, HDD error check. So To do this, we need to go utility. I remember somewhere here there's a disk inbuilt for you to self-test, start self-test, short, right, enter, and there you are, self-test in progress, 90%. So I'll do a short one. Create shortcut 7-zip on desktop or taskbar. Now, since we don't have all of this, since we don't have 7-zip, I may just install Google Chrome since it is the standard among all PCs. Alright, since we just wait for it, let's check back the self-test, 80% remaining. Okay, alright, it's installed. So let's check it out. Google, alright. Let's check out Google. Right, so here's Google. Now let's do something. Let's create a shortcut. Right. So how to do it? Let's go to start. Right click. I think it's add to favorite. Okay, add a favorite puts it in the dock. Now let's put it on the desktop. Okay, there is no way to actually pull it on the desktop. So yeah, anyway, this we can call it a fail because we cannot put it on the desktop. Okay, let's do another one. Set 7-zip as default zip app. So let's try setting this as the default browser. Oh, sorry, wrong. Let's go into settings. Let's go into the where is it? Where is the default apps? Is it application? Nope, it's not this. Come on, where are you? There you are, default apps. Right, it's already changed to Google Chrome, so it's all done. Now let's try to open PDF files in Linux. Okay, I can't close this, quit this. So let's open PDF files in Linux. You can go into Kingston. This is my pen drive. So we have to unzip this and open it. So one of it is actually to open PDF files in Linux and using pen drive to copy and move to documents. Let's copy this, move into documents first, and then extract here. Inside here, the D folder, we can open this as PDF. So it works, and this is Word file that is docx that is from Microsoft Word. So let's try opening it, and it works. So I have completed some of the tasks. Uninstall 7-zip. So I uninstall Google Chrome. Right, so let's go inside, go to Google Chrome. Some weird reason it doesn't update the status, but once you've checked in, it shows you the status that it's already installed. Now you just uninstall it. So this, I'm not sure you can call it a bug or it's just like, you know, some random stuff. Right now it's uninstalled, it's done. It's no longer in the start menu. Let's go and see. Convert Word file to PDF. So let's convert Word file to PDF. Let's save as and change this to .pdf. I think it works because in Windows it does work, so I'm not sure. Let's see, use Word format. Let's see, does it work? No, it doesn't work. How did I do it? I think it was print. Let's try print. Print. In Windows we normally print. Print to file, and print to file, then go into documents, let's type in pdf linux.pdf. Right, so I'll try .pdf to convert it to PDF and see. Let's go into files, documents, pdf linux.pdf. I've done it. So this is how easy it is. And now how to eject it. So just close everything. And again, you have to close it from here. The Windows doesn't work. So now it's 14 minutes already. Right click, eject, and my pen drive is gone. Now is to system update. Let's go to Pop Shop. Now there's two ways to install the update. One from the Pop Shop, one from the settings. In the settings, it is OS upgrade and recovery. So in the Pop Shop here, you can see the install. Go into the install here and you can see the updates later on. So firstly, you can see in the settings, you are running the most current Pop OS version. I think this is only to update the version of the Pop OS. So it means like one version, then the second version, third version, all will be here. But recovery, I'm not sure, because if you were to follow like Windows, there should be a recovery button here. If anything goes wrong or you just want to format it, there is no such option here. Here you can see that there is an update for Pop OS. Now this is might be the security update and some small updates. So you can do it here. And I think we are done. So if I were to stop here and see if I've checked everything, unzip, open, convert, how to eject. Yep, I'm done. So I have finished in 15 minutes 26 seconds. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist of my previous and future videos that is to come. So check that out, and thank you for watching. Famous Cyber signing out.